My name is Nadia. I'm in Year 9 and I attend Nossal High School. My favourite thing about Nossal would have to be the adult learning environment. The fact that there are no bells and they treat us like adults really prepares us for life after high school. A good education would have to comprise of life skills that you can use despite what career you go into or what path you choose, and it would have to inspire curiosity and creativity. A good education is the foundation of your life. With anything you choose, a good education will be there to guide you. Any kind of student should attend a select entry school, particularly anyone that's looking for a challenge and ready to embrace the challenge. If I could give a student considering a selective entry school one piece of advice, it would be to take the opportunity and to continue to take every opportunity that comes their way.